In this video, I want to talk about how you can receive money on Wise. Now, this is actually pretty simple, guys. To receive money, there are two different ways. Now, the first one is you can request money. So click on request and choose request payment. And then you just want to add the person that you want to request from. Now, the second option is the person that needs to send you money needs to go on their Wise and click send. Inside of here, they want to type in what they want to send. So if they want to send, let's say you're both from the same country, let's say you're both from America, they want to select USD and they also want to select USD down here. Then click add, and then they want to select either here, they can type in your email, mobile number, or your Wise tag. You can find that under your profile settings, or they can go to bank, someone else, and type in your information. After that, they just want to send it, and then you will receive the money. Now, these are the ways that you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.